Hey there, we're T and Dee, and welcome to The Weekender. After years of international travel, the pandemic made us rethink how we explore the world, so we turned to our own backyard in beautiful British Columbia. We bought Pivot, a 2019 Nissan NV200 cargo van, and spent months researching, designing, and building it out. But now we're ready to go. On this channel, you'll find everything from quiet camping spots, secluded scenic views and coffee places, to van life tips and travel hacks. Whether you're looking to escape the city for a day or embark on a weekend road trip, check out how we've transformed weekend getaways into unforgettable adventures.